trips that you plan for the next whole
Happy Friday, y'all. What's going on? So I just came on the road. I was working, so took a break from work, and I have to go to two places. One, I need to go to the money shop to buy some US, and then two, I need to go to. I'm searching out something for my online business, so I'm preparing for the relaunch date. So I need to buy some cute hangers. I wanted to buy them on Amazon, but I had went to this place a couple months ago and they sell the clear hangers. It's either the velvet. I wanted the velvet. I know PriceSmart sells the velvet hangers, or the place that I'm going to, they sell the clear ones. So, and it's affordable. It's affordable, the price not bad. So as I said, why not just buy it here instead of go buy it on Amazon, the weight and all that, weight and shipping. And I think I only need around 10 though, so it's not like I'm buying around 50 or whatever. So I just said, let me just buy it here. So those are the places that I need to go. And then tonight we got a date night, people. We got a dinner, then movie. Homegirl going out on a date. We going out on a date. What the show name? Meg 2 that came out. So I think that's what I want. That's what we're gonna watch. The thing is, I don't like 3D movies, 2D 3D movies. I don't like it because I don't like the glasses. Like, they are so uncomfortable, I don't like them. But I want to watch a movie, and the only thing else that's showing is Barbie and Mission Impossible and something else. Like, I ain't watching that at the movie. So dinner, then movie, watching Meg 2. So that's the vibe that we have going on for this weekend. I hope you guys love the vlogs that I posted. The Royalton vlog, I've gotten a few views on that for Royalton, and also Dream Weekend, I posted that recently. And then I went to Ochi recently too. Like, those events were pretty good. Go on a little vacation back to back. Girl, living it up. Just kidding. But yeah, but I need to live it up because September is coming, and September equals school. Okay. I'm like dreading. Anyways, so yeah, that's the vibe that we have. So I'm heading to the Pavilion Mall at the Western Union money place to buy, when we're telling the guys, I don't know why I repeat myself, but telling them where I go. And I'll talk to you guys when we reach at the date night. Yeah, in the evening. It is 2:42 now. And yeah, I need to hurry up and do what I do, then go on back, finish work for 5, and then start getting ready. I think dinner is around 6 or something like that. So yeah. Let me turn on this radio. It's a Friday, and by the way, it looks like it's very bleaky outside, so it looks like it's gonna fall. Oh yeah, it definitely looks like it's gonna. Well, it actually rained earlier today. I forgot it rained earlier today, and the place is still bleaky and all of that and cloudy. So yeah, we may get some more rain later. Hopefully not, because it's the weekend. Man, why is this dude riding in bicycle on the opposite side? Whatever. You can go, dude. You are welcome. Oh, by the way, I washed my hair the other day. Like, I have to wash it. Like, I normally wash my hair weekly, and it's been 2 weeks. Like, so my hair had to wash, and something of them come out. Like, 2 of them drop out. And I know why. Like, I literally was rubbing my hair, like, doing this. So some of them kind of got loose, and I just like take it out. I couldn't bother like put it back and do all of them crap there. But yeah. Alright, I reached the mall, so let me just hurry up and sort out what I'm doing. Alright, so I did get the money that I wanted. The rate was what, 155. It's better than well, thankfully it wasn't 157, because right now the bank rate is at 157 something, 158. Like, I think the last time I checked it, that thing went up to like almost 160, which is crazy. So the US is going up again. So yeah, I did that, and I deposited in the ATM to my account, so that's all good. So I just need to go get the hangers now for my business. I'm feeling so hungry, like I want to buy one Popeyes salad. I'm really feeling to do that, but I don't want to fill my belly up too much. It's what, almost 3:30. Well, I mean, I could. That's like 3 hours time, but I guess I'll just go in. When I reach home, I just have a snack and something. That should be good enough to hold me. Oh, the other day I full my tank. I full up my tank. It's been a while, like I've literally full up my tank straight, because normally I just top up when I go down, and you know, when it goes to a certain spot. But like my gas tank was literally on one, what them call it, one stroke, one line. So you know, so it literally empty, and I was driving around it for a while, so that shit was almost at 0. So I told the gas pump lady to fill up my tank. Like that shit came up to $8,000. Never since I've had this car. Well, it's going on to what, 2.5 years now? Well, 3 years. Oh, 3 years now I have this car. Just 3 years now I've had this car, and never have I ever spent $8,000 to fill this tank. Like, yo, the cost of living is so serious, so serious. That's crazy. When I hear the pump stop, I'm gonna look on the thing. Well, I've seen it. I was looking at it. I'm checking it out. It's there 5, then 6, then 7. I'm like, wait, what the hell? When I see it pass 6.5, may I say no? This could not be. This could not be. Shit. It went all the way up to 8,000 and something dollars. Almost 8,100. I was like, I can't believe it. That's just crazy. I know. It's so expensive. It is so expensive. Alright, we here. It's called Vertex Trading. They sell like a lot of stuff for small businesses. So yeah, they sell sign, all of them something there. Mannequin, all them love something there. Alright, let's go inside. Alright, so they have this one. This is good. Alright, this is the same thing, and then they have the wooden ones. I don't need the wooden ones, and they have like the skirt ones as well, like for jeans and stuff. I didn't ask her the price of that, but this is good. And the gold one is cute. Okay. This is nice. Garment rack. Ooh, mannequin. I have one at home already, so I don't need another. I may need one for future for like the swimsuit. Wanna get one of those for like swimsuits. Yeah. Okay, so I got the hangers that I wanted. Thank God. It's cute. Nice waterfall. Alright, I got my stuff. I bought 10 hangers. I think it was $190 per one, so it's $1,900 plus tax. I bought this. And I needed a dispenser thing for my water, automatic, because I have the manual one where every time I have to be pumping and using all of my little muscle in my house to pump up my water. So I got this automatic. This is what, $850. So what did you say it was? $1,900 plus tax? Oh, the tax is on it. Oh yeah, so it's $190 for one hanger. Oopsie. $190 plus tax, and then the dispenser. So it's what, $3,162.50. Okay, not bad. So I have those. So tomorrow I'm gonna start taking some photos set up the closet rack, all of that, and take the photos. I'm not sure if I'll just probably just leave it on the hanger or, you know, put it on a what's it called, the mannequin. Well, I'm gonna do both actually. So I really need to find a way to just capture the pictures, capture the videos. So because you know it's all about presentation on Instagram. If you want your clothes to sell, if you want your products to sell, it's all about look, presentation. So I need to figure out a way how I'm going to, you know, the man is so, Jesus, why am I letting the old man in front of me? I'm so slow. Yo, I feel really hungry, like I lose energy, to be honest. Maybe eat something sweet. Anyways, so yeah, I need to figure out, you know, what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna present my stuff, because I have old stock as well that I really want to get rid of. And I did bought some new stock. I didn't you know, buy enough that I wanted actually, and I'm not finished buying, but I was just so busy, you know, with a lot of stuff. So I had stopped thing there, and I'm trying to look for a different supplier, because the supplier that I normally use, which is just perfect quality, is the brown suit that I wore at Dream Weekend, the brown tight set. Like, trust me, the quality is bomb. It is so bomb. But with that website, it only can order 6 or more. Like, it's wholesale website, so some, you know, it costs a lot of money. Purchasing on that website costs a lot of money, plus shipping and all of that crap. Like, and like I said, it's, you know, the minimum you can purchase is 6, and then, you know, the weight, and it's just like a whole, you have to be careful, because most of them stuff there, you're buying 6 is over $50, and I know it's like very, very tricky. What I had to do though, it's making noise. What I had to do really is do some little edits, or see anything else. But yeah, it's really costly when I'm purchasing from that website, because I have to be purchasing 6 or more. That's the minimum. So I'm really in between to try to look for different suppliers, right? That the quality is good, the price is perfect for me, so I'll be able to resell while making a profit. Because I'm not like I'm not going to be selling no clothes or whatever, $10,000, $12,000, $15,000. I'm gonna see them online story. I said, like, no, that's ridiculous, because I'm not going to buy. So I'm not gonna sell something that I won't buy. So I want good quality, affordable clothing. All right. So yeah, you know, there's something wrong with my car. My service is a semi drive now, and the wheel just not the wheel. The steering is like doing this. Watch there. Yeah. I forgot to make the mechanic check this out. And I know I need to buy a brake shoe, because I had told the mechanic, like, when I'm on the highway and, you know, braking up as I go down fast and whatever, like, the steering keeps vibrating. So I'm not sure if it's getting out of hand more. So tomorrow I go. So happy turn on my AC. I should the AC and the noise. But tomorrow I am definitely gonna go buy the parts, the brake shoe. Yeah, I'm making Sergeant out, because something is wrong with my car. I'm not going to be driving it up and down. I'm no say something wrong with it. There's this, I think this is a top, well, this is a dress. I don't think I want to wear a dress. I think if we're going to like dinner unlimited, I'll probably put on a dress, but yeah, not in that vibe. So I'm thinking this Zara top, can wear this with a jeans and just a sandals. I think this will work. This is actually long sleeve. The temperature was okay last night, and today it wasn't crazy. So I'm thinking, you know, the nights are not going to be like that crazy and hot. Plus, I go into the movie and I'm going to be cold, so the long sleeve should be good. So yeah, so this, a jeans and a slippers and a cute backpack. Yeah, that sounds like a vibe. By the way, I ain't wearing no makeup, okay? I am not wearing no makeup.
I'm at the rough around the edges, baby, yes. I keep it nappy and I do what make me happy, and nobody can deny me that I'm blessed. Self-preservation, self-elevation, these kind of things, they deserve celebration, no hesitation.
That's it. Oh. My gold heels as well, so yeah.
Here's a fine little knockout.
Watch this already.
Weapons down. Or you'll do what? Stay still, little guy.
Drink water and mind my business. Drink water and mind my business. Who me? I don't watch people, man. I'm looking for house and land. Who me? Period. So, the movie last night, I think it was in 2D or 3D, one of them foolishness there. It was not necessary. Like, first of all, I not even like movie in a 2D and 3D. Okay? You know, so I drive the wrong way. Oh my god. Which ATM I forgot go now? Alright, I forgot the one at the plaza. Yeah. First of all, I don't like to wear the glasses in a movie, the 2D, 3D movie. I don't know, it's just so uncomfortable. And last night just sealed it for me. I think it's my second time watching movie in a 2D, 3D, and it's just not for me. So any movie I want to watch and it's in that thing there, I'm just not gonna go there. I'm just gonna watch it at my yard. So yeah, it was not needed. We watched Meg 2 last night, as you saw. The movie was alright. It was okay. I liked it. It looked very unrealistic. Yo, I'm not supposed to see the sun behind me here. Hopefully the quality, but never mind. Next year we gonna up our quality, okay? So hold on, I'm gonna try go across the road. Based on where I am, I have to sneak across the other side of the road. I'm a happy camper. Hey, yo, November is coming. I'm gonna turn this on. November is coming, so that means the carnival launch. I can't wait. Woo, carnival soon come. Alright, okay, where was I? Yeah, the Meg 2 movie really never. You know, whenever you watch it on a 2D and 3D, I mean, there's some point in time where I saw that it made sense, because when I squid like them or something drop on me, literally drop on top of me, and there were some birds or like a butterfly fly around like near in the audience when you had on the glasses, so that part's a low, but everything else is just 1 and 2 parts of the movie where you say, okay, then you see where the glasses are required, but generally, it don't need to be that. But the movie was fine. I enjoyed, like I said, some parts that definitely look unrealistic. Maybe it's because of the glasses or whatever and whatever. But so the dinner that we had. So we had dinner first and then went to the movies after. Next time, people, we're not gonna do that. That's not gonna happen with me. If we go dinner and then movie. Anytime I eat my belly food and it's not time, like I was literally yawning in the movie constantly because like my time was up. My bedtime was at bedtime, okay? So yeah, but the dinner was okay. Lie. The food I'll give it a 6 out of 10. The salmon. Did you? I know so better show it again right now. When I see it, you know, say it look like one fish fillet. That could have never been salmon. Yo, the shit is tiny and flat. I don't think I've ever had a salmon that size, looking like a freaking fish fillet. It looked like a bassa fillet when buying at the supermarket for $600. Like when I saw it, and I had to say to her, like, yo, this is a salmon? Like, never again. I'm not going there to buy a salmon. Like, I don't know if I'm ever going there because there's somebody who work there and we are literally enemy. Yeah, but should even go there in the first place, you know? But you know what? That's a different story for another time. But basically, yeah, I should not have even messed with that place. But I'm not going to let nobody stop me from going somewhere that I want to try. But I don't even want to get in that story. But yeah, that what we paid for that type of money is just crazy. Literally, one fish fillet may I pay for. I'm eating a fish fillet for a salmon price, basically. Ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous. But I had the mashed potatoes was fine, but yeah, I don't think I'm gonna the kicks I have. See, you know, some I'll go in there, then I'm buy one get one free. May I go in there? I don't know people. It's just, I don't know what to say. Alright, maybe go to ATM, I go stop the sneaker store. Kicks, them always like have some nice sale and I love the sneakers. So I'm gonna stop there see if I can even buy some sneakers because yeah. I'm gonna want to wear one sneakers at Chris Brown. I need to find, I need to figure out when I even gonna wear a Chris Brown. By the way, I need to buy my ticket in the first place. I buy my ticket yet, so I need to really do that before the price increase again on me. It was $27,000 for the first set of tickets. Now this shit gone up to 32 something. So I need to buy that before the weekend ends. Like I have the money, so I just need to get it out of the way. Whew. All right, let's get out of here. So I got the cash. I stopped at the sneaker store, but I didn't really see anything. There was one I saw, but honestly, I just couldn't bother stop to try anything because literally, it's, oh my god, it's 6:08 p.m. in the evening, and I have not ate anything from morning. Like I always do this to myself. I only had like half bottle of cranberry juice. And that's it, some water, and that's it. I haven't ate anything yet, so I'm just really raw right now. I'm just feel like we'll just go to a restaurant, go buy something to eat. I'm gonna say I get myself a salad today. I need to listen to myself with the salad and not be go buying no wings or chicken and them something there. I'll fix this. Okay, so I need to go to this place. Buy some money. Yeah, so excuse me, I need to go to the supermarket, but I'm gonna go tomorrow. I'm not going to a supermarket at this hour. So I'll go to the supermarket tomorrow, which I like. Hopefully I can get up in the morning to go by at like 9-10 a.m. Should be less people and I can just take my own sweet time. Oh, I can't take it. Take yourself, just look at that. Take yourself. Let me just do that too. So we are finished with all our errands, thank God, and we're off to Popeyes, so I'm gonna go ahead and buy my breakfast, lunch, dinner, salad in one. So we're gonna get that at Popeyes. So I can't bother going anywhere, and I'm tired, and I'm like semi-dressed. Well, I could have gone to escape for some wings. We can still go. We can go Regency for some wings in this. I don't care. I'm in a flip-flop shorts. I can't turn my back, right? No. But no, we're gonna stick to the salad. Trying to eat healthy. You know, we gotta stay on track when it's necessary. And last night I had, well, I mean that's healthy. Mashed potato and salmon. So I think that's fine. But yeah, we're just gonna stick to the salad, and then tomorrow it's Sunday, rice and peas. So I'm gonna eat rice. So I'm gonna just stick to, you know, something less crazy for today, so tomorrow I can feast. And then we go head to the supermarket tomorrow. Oh, I need to buy tires on my car. That's it.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Been too long for.
Alright, so I guess as usual, I'm just gonna get the popcorn shrimp salad. Crispy chicken salad sounds nice too, you know. I'm on a chicken. Wait, it does sound good though. I'm gonna try the crispy chicken salad because I never tried it before. I've had the shrimp one, so let me try the chicken instead. You know, so I'm really tired of that location here. Homegirl like tell me say they do have no salad. Then she said hold on 1 minute. Then she said she have one salad available. And I was like, I'm kind of iffy. I'm gonna say, alright, then still give it to me. So I'm gonna say, what kind of dressing you have? They do have no dressing. No, I'm in the goddamn drive-through line, 2 cars ahead of me. I have to freaking wait. Oh my god. Upset the shit out of me. Alright, I'm gonna go to the other Popeyes location. I know the line is going to be long. I'm just gonna go inside just in case it's the same shit at that location. And if anything, I'll just go Wendy's and buy the freaking expensive salad for $1,800. Did I tell y'all the other day I went to KFC the other night? I think it's 2 nights ago. And I think I want to come off Popeyes and then never have any leg. They didn't have any chicken leg. I only like chicken leg. They never have no chicken leg. So I say, alright then, no problem. I left. Well, I was pissed, of course. I'm gonna say, you know what, let me just go KFC and done. Right it. Got KFC, you know it's a KFC line not long. Hurry up in the car. Yeah, you know KFC line I go along and all of those shit. So I just hold on. Ended up at KFC. Of course they don't have any barbecue, so I went ahead and just ordered original chicken. Which the original chicken is always salty majority of the time. So I still ordered one. I ordered original spicy for Mom and I. That's it. Reach home, the chicken kind of burnt-ish, the leg, okay, and that shit was salty. Yeah, so once KFC don't have no barbecue, but it's not gonna buy from them. But I saw this order a zinger. I'll eat the zinger spicy or zinger barbecue. But anything besides that, like no original. I am not buying no more original at KFC. It's just like. It was a disappointment with Popeyes, and then I went to KFC. It was a disappointment. See, today when homegirl don't eat nothing from morning, a big disappointment. Like the place was telling me why I'm doing this because y'all can't even see me, and also it isn't even that dark yet. I don't know what's happening. But anyways, we'll catch up tomorrow because I'm quite annoyed at these people. This salad tastes so good, y'all. I got the sweet and sour chili sauce, sweet heat chili sauce, and I got the tartar sauce. This salad tastes so good. The crispy chicken is good. I think I got more like tomatoes in this one versus when I had bought it at the other location. But yeah, salad is nice. Yay, me eating healthy. Yay. Did I say eating healthy. Yep. Hey y'all, what's up? So I ain't got no light on my yard. JPS, that is our light company, cut off with light. Not my light alone, is the community. I guess they're doing some upgrades or fixing some things, so the entire community is out. And they did send us a text. Well, I received a text yesterday saying that the light would be gone from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. I ain't remember nothing, and this morning I was in bed. Well, I was getting ready to come out, and I think they lock it off around after 11. So yeah, so no light. And the reason why I even didn't come outside my yard early, I remember I told you guys, I always strive to leave. If I'm going to supermarkets in the morning, I always like strive to leave out by 9 to reach the supermarket by the latest 10, and that never happens. And this morning I really had the intentions to do that, but I had a YouTube video to upload. Well, I finished editing it this morning and download it, and then it failed like 2 times because I talked about space, blah blah blah. So this is another reason why I really need to get a secondary device for my YouTube, because this is not gonna work. So it failed 2 times, and then finally, you know, it downloaded, and then bam, like gone. So I wasn't able to like upload it to YouTube. I definitely want to upload it today on a Sunday. So I'll probably just wait until it comes back, then I download, or I'll probably just go to a cafe today, because I haven't ate anything yet, and it's 12:02. What just at the same time as car? Yeah, 12:02. So that's a struggle. So I don't know, but we're heading to the supermarket to just pick up some stuff for monthly shopping. And then yeah, I think that's what we have for today, and I'll figure out if like I'll figure out like if I wanna go to the cafe or not. But I really feel like to have some coffee, so maybe I'll stop at the cafe to just upload a video. This thing is I can't drive the more with the phone on this thing. It's basically falling apart, and it's gonna rattle. It's gonna get worse. So when I reach the supermarket, then we'll catch up. But for now, this thing is gonna shake, and I can see it falling apart. So I'm gonna need a new one, or I need to find a proper thing for the car. All right, so Amazon today when I get home, when I have some internet. It's on. we're done with the supermarket. Y'all, do you see my hair? I started to pull it out already. So this needs to go by the week. I think I'm gonna head to the cafe, probably just drink a coffee, and hopefully the Wi-Fi is fast enough so I can yeah, upload my video, because I know them did say that the light will come back around 5, which they started late this morning, so it may go over 5 o'clock. And it's hot, sun is hot outside, so going home right now makes no sense. I should have probably just went to the cafe first and do my videos and all of that, then went to the supermarket. But I don't have anything frozen. I just have the meal, the roasted chicken that I bought, so that should be fine. Oh man, well now I'm thinking I have the roasted chicken. I want to be in a cool place. It stays in the car. It's gonna be like crazy hot. I don't know, I'll figure it out. But I appreciate you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Okay, please share my video, y'all, if you like it. Please share it if you like it. Like, give it a thumbs up, and also comment. You guys can comment anything. Can comment a heart, can comment a question mark, like comment what you want to comment. But my comments are so low. Like, y'all ain't talking to me. Okay, my viewers, y'all ain't talking to me. But anyways, peace, love, and happy Sunday. Wi-Fi speed is so low, but I have 7 megabytes per second. This don't make any sense. This does not make any sense. It's better just go home and wait till the Wi-Fi come back, the light come back.
What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it. You've been caught up.